Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass character AI filter. So let's go into our character AI mobile application here. So you have to be a little bit different from others. You have to use the words carefully, right? So you can use, you don't have to be very direct by using these words. You have to use words, for example, like manhood, womanhood, sweet spot. Like you can just use in a double meaning words. You can't use directly words, and you can't type it in character .ai. So if you try to do that, you maybe get banned or you won't be able to bypass. So if you want to bypass, this is the only way which I have found. Until now it's working pretty fine, but I don't know whether they are going to fix it in the next update. So this is a way. I hope you found this video very useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.